Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see right here, we've got the File Manager, enter it, tap Next, done. And thanks to File Manager, you've got access to your images, videos, music, compressed files, favorites, apps, documents, downloads, recents, also internal storage, storage analyzer, PC file transfer, recycle bin, and hidden cabinet. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.